Although this is optional, cleanliness is key to a guitar revival. Since the guitar is already open, I'm going to clean it up a bit, especially the strum assembly, so that it's easier to install the new strum bar. While I'm normally much more thorough with my cleaning, I didn't have my normal cleaning tools accessible to me, so a cleaning of necessities is all I'll be doing. Keep in mind that if you bought a used guitar, that there may be some old finger grime in there. Grime that isn't yours, so you'll definitely want to clean it all out. So the most important thing to clean is the strum assembly. The grime that may have built up on the strum rod, strum bar pegs, and brackets can impede on performance, so we want to get all of it off. I'm using rubbing alcohol and a paper towel to clean both the metal strum rod and the strum bar pegs. We're going to need both of the strum bar pegs for the RGB strum bar. If you decided to opt out of that modification, just put the pegs back into the original strum bar if you already popped them out after you've cleaned it. In the case of this guitar, the pegs fell out of the original strum bar. I cannot say that this will be the case for all guitars, as there have been ones where I've had to break them so bad that it could never be used again. Either way, we'll need to use the pegs regardless of it being a stock strum bar or RGB strum bar. You'll also want to give the black brackets away, as well as the area where the strum rod makes contact with the front guitar shell. There's likely lubricant of some type still on it from 18 years ago. My recommendation is to pause the build and clean the entire guitar thoroughly with a toothbrush, soap, and water. If you really want to give this guitar a visual revival, melamine foam will get any sort of residue off of it. Just make sure that you let the parts dry if you clean with water. Now that we've cleaned it up, the next step is preparing the new strum bar.